All right, good day, traders. Welcome to Market Analysis today. My name is TVH. So we'll consider the AUDJPY and a few other instruments that we looked at last week and all that stuff. So on the AUDJPY, it has maintained a very strong bullish perspective from the yearly outlook. The institutions hope to drive price as high as 100 Japanese yen for $1 Australian. Right now, we have seen price tank in the last 3 months, and then currently we begin to see a TTF formation on the monthly time frame. Seems to be a TTF formation, and we have a couple of days before the month ends. That's a TTF with a hammer closed, right? And this is happening at a strategic level where a low connects to a high. And we see that because on the that is a 2019 high having a connection with that low, and then we see the price rejection at this point. So what does it hold for us? It therefore means to us that we begin to spot an entry around this point. And last, within the week, today being Wednesday, all right, so last week we saw price slow down, and that slowing down started the week with morning stir. And the morning star have driven up to show price willingness higher above the pattern. What do we expect in the coming days and then probably the early part of next week? We hope that price will make a retracement, if possible, give us an aggregate. And with an aggregation model, we should be able to find opportunity to begin to buy. Essentially, all sell opportunity, all sell positions are now being closed. So we are hoping that after a retracement downwards to give us an aggregation model, we should begin to buy. And where are we buying to? It's going to be a long buy bodies, right? So we've been buying from this high, from that point down to the side. That's about 670 pips. But that is not all, friends. We are buying as much as 1,000 pips because that is just the first take profit. The second take profit will be occurring right here at about 90, right here at about 90.0. So we want to see price that is about 1,000 pips, and then with about 100 pips stop loss. It's a 1:10 trade opportunity. I will hope that this trade will run into the end of the month, into the end of the year. So we are about to swing for the next 5 months. So get set. Those of you in the Dove Light community, thank you for being part of us. And this is one of the opportunities that pays, and it pays real good. So we're looking at the USD CAD as well. USD CAD is in a nosedive. It'll be tanking for the next 2 years. For the next 2 years, USD CAD will be falling, all right? So we know that the Canadian dollars, of course, the loonie is quite stronger than the US dollars at the moment. And then that we see the loonie coming down. Here we also see something very significant, a TTF formation with a double shooting star. At the end of this month, which will be ending in a couple of days from now, this candle will be over. And then we shall see that as the TTF formation with a double shooting star. That is also bringing to play, what we'll call it, not a spinning tail, a high wave signal. Thank you. That will be bringing a high wave signal. Whoever reminded me, and say thank you to you. And this is happening at a strategic level where a top is joining with a bottom of 2018 price is kicking at that high. And then when we look back to the daily time frame to see where we can spot the opportunities, we see right back here that there was a TTF formation here, and it's just been raided. That high has just been raided. Oh, TVHM, yes, that high has just been raided. This is a morning star on the weekly time frame. Sorry, an evening star on the weekly time frame, and this is a Harami information. By the end of 2 days away from here, we hope that this Harami, will be completed, and then the sell will begin. Where are we selling to, friends? We are selling dip. We're selling about this is about 200 to 300 pips stop loss, right? And we are selling them cruising down 1,500 pips take profit. So 200 to 300, if we have 300 pips of stop loss, and we have 1,500, that is 1:5. So you are willing to go 5% of your account. You have a $2,000 account. You have a $5,000 account. You can do 5% of your 5% risk on the account. And at the end, it does 25%. With 25% in the next 5 months, I mean, that is great and that is huge, right, guys? So that's the opportunity we have for you from Dove Light FX, your one-stop plug to your Forex solutions. All right, very quickly, we have something very interesting coming up on board, and it's on the 10th of September. On the 10th of September. What is happening on the 10th of September? TVHM will be live right in the city of Port Harcourt in Nigeria. Live in the city of Port Harcourt in Nigeria. And we are bringing to you a solution, a financial solution that will help revolutionize your tomorrow, securing your future in the financial market. We also will be inducting the new mentees into our community, where we do the Watch Me As I Do It series for 2 months, and we give you the right training that will end your chase of strategy. For many years, I was chasing strategies. I didn't know that the solution was not in strategies. It just never is not in strategies, all right? So here, it's your end to chasing strategies. Our Higher Options and Investment Conference comes up on the 10th of September. The venue is Naga Markets Port Harcourt office, 37 to 38 Gad Benjamin Plaza, Gad Benjamin Plaza, GAD, Gad, then Benjamin, Gad Benjamin Plaza, Rainbow Town, Peter Odili Road, Port Harcourt, Peter Odili Road, Port Harcourt, Gad Benjamin Plaza. So if you're in Port Harcourt and its environs, then you can walk in, but the seats are heavily limited. Why, if you're not in Port Harcourt, or you are busy, or you'll be at work or somewhere at a time, you can connect with us live on Zoom. It's going to be a hybrid conference. So there'll be opportunity for you to join live on Zoom, right? And then we'll be watching ourselves together while we unfold the mysteries for the end, to how to make the end of the year the second best half for you, right? So that meeting also will be unveiling our AI. We call our AI Alexis, right? So right now, it's an opportunity for you to begin to invite your friends and reserve your seat for that meeting. It's going to be awesome. There are going to be 2 sessions, the morning session and the evening session. You are not supposed to attend both, all right? The morning session is 10 a.m. So you're free 10 a.m. online or offline, you're welcome. And if you're free 5 p.m. online or offline, you're welcome. Each of those meetings is just an hour, 30 minutes. By 10 a.m., we're starting, and by 11:30, we are done. By 5 p.m., we are starting, and by 6:30, we are done. So you choose any of the sessions that you want to attend, and you choose any of the models you want to use to attend, either online or offline. But if you are attending offline, please ensure to reserve your seats in time. To book yourself and to reserve your seat for the conference, just send a text message or WhatsApp to 0816 558 3332. I repeat, 0816 558 3332. One more time, 0816 558 3332. Just send AI to that number as a text message or a WhatsApp number to reserve your seats and to get your booking for the conference. It's going to be lit, it's going to be explosive, it's going to be light. 2021 will deliver the best of results to you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Goodbye.